안녕하세요. 123 김치의 태연입니다. Hello everyone, this is Taeyeon and welcome to 123 Kimchi. Today I'll be making lentil 된장찌개, Korean soybean paste stew with lentils. 된장찌개 is ultimate comfort food for many Koreans regardless of age. Doenjang is Korean fermented soybean paste that gains its complex flavors after aging. It's one of the most frequently used sauce in Korean cooking, and jjigae means stew or thick soup. This particular 된장찌개 that I'm making today is a bit more special because I'm adding lentils to it. Not only do they add creaminess and heartiness to the stew, they're really high in fiber and protein, so really making the 된장찌개 more satiating and nutritious. Also in my last video, I mentioned that I'll show you ways to use the leftover vegetables from making the stock. So in 된장찌개 I'm making today, I'm going to put some cooked radish and shiitake mushroom, the vegetable leftovers, from making the stock. Okay, so let's get started with cooking. I'm first going to start by making a pasty mixture with doenjang. Here's doenjang, the Korean fermented soybean paste. It's best if you can find some artisanal quality doenjang from the stores or even online, because the ingredient process and most importantly the flavor is really different. It's much more complex. And here's gochugaru, the Korean chili flakes. It's made with the sun-dried chili peppers and it's got sweet, smoky, and spicy flavor to it. I'm adding just a little bit, half a tablespoon. It won't make the soup too spicy, but will add that clean finishing taste to it. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. And 1 teaspoon of rice powder. It'll work as a binding agent, bringing beans, soup, vegetables all together. But if you don't have the rice powder, you don't have to put it in. And 2 tablespoons of water. Mix them well together and set aside. I'm using red lentils today. Since the skins are removed and they're split in half, they cook way faster and get smashed easily. Have them rinsed in running water and drained in a colander. For the shiitake mushrooms from the stalk, cut off the bottom end and cut them into small cubes. And also cube the radish into small sizes, similar size as the shiitake mushroom. Zucchini and firm tofu are also cut into cubes, the similar size. And diagonally slice the green onion. These are red and green chili peppers. They add refreshing touch and color to the stew. Diagonally slice the chili peppers. We only need a few slices each. In a pot, add lentils and 3 cups of versatile Korean stock. Heat over medium-high heat and bring it to a boil. Once it boils, skim off the excess foam and reduce the heat to low heat and simmer for 15 minutes. Stirring every now and then, so the beans don't stick on the bottom of the pot. After 15 minutes of simmering, lentils should be fully cooked and almost turning creamy. Add in the doenjang mixture. Then add zucchini, radish, shiitake mushroom, and green onion in, and let the vegetables cook for a couple of minutes. Add the tofu and cook for another 2 minutes. Before you finish, put the chili pepper slices, but I'll leave a couple for decorations. And serve yourselves a warm bowl of lentil doenjang-jjigae. Wow! It's got so much variety of vegetables and making a beautiful harmony with doenjang. And so creamy and wholesome with lentils too. Now I'm going to enjoy the meal with this warm bowl of quinoa rice. I like to mix in multi-grains to my rice, and quinoa and lentils are one of my favorite combinations. So I prepared this quinoa rice just for my 된장찌개 today. If you have any questions or comments, please leave me a comment below. And if you liked my recipe and video, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. 1, 2, 3, kimchi!